Hey guys, what's up? How are you? And today's I'm making this video on purpose of making this video to making you aware about TikTok. And today's my video is gonna be all about TikTok, related to TikTok, based on TikTok, because there is a trend going on, and I think we all are aware about that. That is TikTok versus YouTube. And I have also posted many things related to TikTok. I mean against the TikTok, and I know that many people will think, they will say that I am just watching one side of the coin, not the other side, because there is many good, great, creative, new, cute things as well on TikTok, which is very good, quite good. Well, and they will say millions of people are using this app, they like this app. Well, this is true, I'm not ignoring that, but there is billions of people are there, those who are not using this app, don't like this at all, and I'm one of them. And if I'm doing so, I think I'm not doing anything wrong. And guys, I'm not truly against the TikTok, I'm just against the some famous TikTokers, because they have millions of followers, and whatever they are creating truly directly influencing millions of people. Uh, and guys, because of them, children, people, those are using TikTok, kids making vulgar videos, this is not acceptable. And there is many other things as well on TikTok which is not acceptable, because what they are creating, which is that is not acceptable. And some famous TikTokers are creating those things, like they are showing their community, their religion, their lifestyle supreme than others. Do you accept this? Because I don't accept this, I don't appreciate this, because they are spreading racism, they are spreading casteism, they are spreading this rubbish, and because of them, people influencing, getting mindset, changing mindset, and it is truly changing our mentality. And because of them, they are, as I told you earlier, spreading these things. And those TikTokers are not in proper manner, their video is not proper manner, they are not following rule and regulations which are to be followed. And you know what guys, whenever we watch such a TikTok video, we are even compelled to think those city, those bullshit, what we don't usually think. And why it happened, because of we watch those videos. And if there will not be any platform like that, so we'll not watch, and will not getting change mentality. And do you think, and I want to tell you that getting fame is easy, can be easy, but getting respect is not easy. And how do you consider a famous personality? We think that if a person is famous, he is respected too. But do you think that those who are using this huge platform like TikTok, they are getting fame because of this? Do you think they are respected too? They are getting respect too? Because I don't think so. They can be famous, but not respected at all. They are not respected, because for getting respect we have to show some efforts, and I think they are not showing any type of efforts like that. And guys, they are not respected. And all I want is, they are not respected wherever they are going, they are getting abuses, they are getting beaten by the people. So guys, all I want, and purpose of making this video is making you aware, and all I want is TikTok should be banned in India. And if it's not gonna ban, so at least those famous TikTokers IDs should be banned in India. And guys, if you like this video and if you are with me, then let me know in comment section, and share this video as much as you can with your friends. Share this video, like this video, and let me know in the comment section. And thank you guys.